Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Kryptonic and today I'm going to be talking about the Gamdias Hermes M3 RGB gaming keyboard. So if you guys do end up enjoying the video, make sure to drop a like on it. But anyways guys, let's get straight into the video. Now, as you guys know, Gamdias keyboards are probably one of my favorite keyboards just because they're always innovating and trying to make their whole gaming lineup just better in general for the user. And a lot of their products always last a very long time, and just by looking at the material that is being used for this keyboard and how it feels very solid, which I am very happy with, because a lot of the times companies will, make the product look really pretty, but overall the design is kind of weak. And I can for sure say that this design looks pretty and is very sturdy. Now, in case you guys haven't realized it, this does not have a number pad, which for some people it might be a very big thing and for others it might not. For me, it's one of those things where it doesn't really matter because I use a number pad a lot of the times on top of my keyboard, which is the numbers running from 1 through 0 at the top, and that's basically what I use most of the time, so I'm not too bothered by this. And also, a very good selling point of the keyboard is that it is an RGB keyboard, and I'm very happy because this keyboard you can actually customize every single letter with what you want to do, and I feel like Gamdias has been a little bit behind when it comes to being able to do that. A lot of the times they give you RGB keyboards. RGBs look incredible, they're bright, everything's good about them, but you can't customize them besides a little random wave effect and stuff like that you can do with most other $20 keyboards when they're charging you around 40. But now being able to do this with an RGB keyboard, customizing each letter, your WASD, your arrow keys, whatever you want, you're going to be able to do it, which I find is the best part about this. And of course, all of this can be done over on their Hera software that you can download off of their website, which is still, a little bit buggy every now and then, but for the most part works really well compared to smaller companies out there. And now, for some reason, Gamdias does have this weird thing where depending on your country, it's going to have different switches. Like for my keyboard, it has blue switches, and I find that to be very perfect, low profile, but for other countries it might depend. You might get red switches, brown switches. It just really matters on what country you get, which I find a little bit weird because they don't give you an option to select which key you want to be using. Instead, they just kind of give it to you depending on your country. Overall though guys, Gamdias is always making really good keyboards, and if you guys are trying to get yourself an affordable keyboard that's mechanical, that has RGB functionality, and is going to last you for sure over 2 years, then this is probably the keyboard you're going to want to go with. I still have my mouse and my keyboard from my original sponsorship by Gamdias from about 3 years ago, and I still use that on my dad's computer, and I just find it to be very good overall and very efficient. Nothing is broken, the LEDs still work, mouse still works perfectly fine, everything overall just works, and it's been a good 3 years, so take that into consideration. Anyways guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a like if you guys did enjoy, and if you guys didn't, let me know why. But anyways guys, this has been Kryptonic, and I will see you guys around, and I'm out. Peace guys.